So, andito tayo ngayon sa Avida Woodhill Settings in New Valley. Meron tayong new foreclosed vacant lot na i-check. 170 square meters po siya. Total lot area. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. Parang may overlooking or viewing deck dito sa clubhouse nila. Diba? Ang ganda. Iba talaga pag Ayala. So ito po yung property. 170 square meters total lot area. Decent size. So ayan po siya. And morning sun po to. Facing east. So ayan yung pinakamuhon niya. Mula dyan sa poste hanggang dito sa tubo. Frontage niya is 11.5 meters. Yan. Flat terrain and regular in shape. So ang elevation natin dito is mataas din. 180 meters above sea level po tayo dito. Yan yung harap niya. Then maluwag din po yung kalsada natin. Meron ding pathway. So far, this is the most affordable vacant lot under Avida here in New Valley at 25,000 per square meter. Okay? And negotiable pa po yan. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly because first come first serve po tayo dito. And this is available in cash or at least 10% spot down payment and then 90% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So again, if you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly. Pinakatanda niya.
Quasi-delict. Oh yes, there was an act or an omission constituting fault or negligence whereby causes damage to the other, isn't it? And there is no pre-existing contractual relationship between the parties. Remember? Article 2176. Is that the only possible source of the cause of action? No. The possible source, another possible source of the cause of action would be delicts. Because that act of negligence also constitutes a felony we call culpa. He could be sued criminally under culpa criminal, and every person criminally liable for a felony is also civilly liable. Remember that? Come on, you pretend if you forgot. Okay. So those are the possible causes of action. What are the possible causes of action of the passenger against Victory Liner Incorporated? Can it be based on culpa criminal? Be careful with those questions. The answer is no. Victory Liner Incorporated did not commit a crime. To commit a crime, it should be shown it is a principal, an accomplice, or an accessory. Victory Liner is neither of those. plaintiff has presented its evidence or his evidence. The carrier filed a demurrer to evidence. Motion to dismiss. Again, a demurrer. Civil code right now. Now what? You could refer to Article 1756 of the Civil Code. Imagine, that is the topic of the bar exams. But because this is civil law, the UP Law Center did not sign